believe the additive and multiplicative principles? How would you convince someone they are correct? Well, this is surprisingly difficult. They seem so simple, so obvious, but why do they work? To make things clearer and more mathematically rigorous, we will use sets in this video. Do not skip this video though. This is a really important video. It might seem like we are just trying to give a proof of these principles, but we are doing a lot more. If we understand the additive and multiplicative principles rigorously, we will be better at applying them and knowing when and when not to apply them at all. We will look at the additive and multiplicative principles in a slightly different way. Instead of thinking about event A and event B, we want to think about set A and set B. The sets will contain all the different ways the events can happen. So now, counting two events is the same as counting the elements in two sets. And we can use set theory to explain the principles that we have introduced thus far. Doing this will allow us to interpret more challenging counting problems using set theory. In the next video, we'll discuss the additive principle using set notation, so I'll see you then.